Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix My Phone Labs. If your iPhone speaker sounds muffled or distorted after getting wet, you're in the right place, because today I'm giving you the actual fix, not another useless sound test video. This is the same method we use in real repair diagnostics, and it works whether your iPhone got wet from rain, shower, pool water, or even a quick drop into the sink. First things first, if the speaker sounds muffled, stop using it immediately. Don't keep playing random sounds or YouTube tones, because that only pushes the water deeper into the speaker mesh. Also, don't shake the phone. Shaking spreads the water instead of helping it drain. Now we're going to eject the water properly. Instead of random tones, use a controlled 165 to 290 Hz sound sweep. You can use the free tool on ejecttool.com. Just open the site, tap Start Water Eject, and let it run for about 20 to 30 seconds. You'll often see tiny droplets come out. Run this cycle 2 or 3 times. After that, we need to remove remaining moisture from the mesh, and this is where most people fail. Once the eject cycle finishes, place your iPhone upright, point the speaker downward, and let it sit in a dry environment for 30 to 60 minutes. Don't use rice, don't use a hairdryer, and definitely don't use a heat gun. Heat can deform the speaker mesh permanently. If you have silica gel packs, put your phone in a sealed bag with them. Silica pulls out moisture that sound waves can't remove. If you don't have silica, just use a cool fan blowing gently toward the speaker area. After at least 30 minutes of dry time, run the water eject tool again from ejecttool.com. At this point, the sound should be much clearer, the crackling should be gone, and the volume should return to normal. If the speaker still sounds muffled, it means there's moisture deeper inside the acoustic chamber. Simply repeat the process 2 or 3 more times. If your phone still plays sound at low volume, vibrates during playback, or crackles randomly, that means there might be moisture inside the taptic engine cavity or under the shielded areas of the logic board. In that case, give the phone 12 to 24 hours of dry time. Most devices recover completely without needing any repair. You only need a technician if the volume stays extremely low even after drying, if the speaker rattles, or if you lose audio completely. Outside of that, this method fixes about 90% of muffled iPhone speakers caused by water. If this helped you restore your speaker, hit like and subscribe to Fix My Phone Labs for real fixes, not clickbait sound tests. And definitely bookmark ejecttool.com so you have it ready next time your phone gets wet. See you in the next one.